Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the new video. Welcome back to the new day. Today is Monday and it's like 6:16 a.m. in the morning. So hey guys, I have done shower and it's time for the breakfast and so guys, I have done my breakfast and now I'm on my way to workplace. But my workplace is kind of far from here. I gotta take a subway and almost here at the subway. Hey guys, so finally I got here. I couldn't record in the subway because it was too noisy. My office is too messy. I have to clean it up first, and then before we go for that, I gotta get my water. Turn on my water dispenser. I gotta fill up my water bottle. This is what I'm gonna drink for today. Green tea. What's up guys? How's it going? What's up guys? How's it going? This is their playroom. They're free to play here, whatever they want. Happy? Jayo! This package earlier, but I have no idea what's inside because I ordered a lot of things and I don't know what is inside. I opened this one. I know what's inside. I ordered something from my room. I kept these packages here. I just got text. My another package has been delivered downstairs and now I gotta get that either. Here now let's see what's inside. I ordered many things for my